Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to cancel LongHorn order. Okay, so let's get started. First of all, you need to open any search browser and you need to type like cancel LongHorn order, and once you get the result you need to click on the first one result, and on this window you will see this option, and on this window you need to enter your order details, and you need to enter your phone number or email address on which you have confirmed your order, and you need to click on lookup order. And once you get the results, and once you get the results, in the results you can see over there you can cancel your order or not. If the order cancellation step is available, then you can cancel your order. If the order cancellation step is not available in that window, so you need to be very careful that like you cannot cancel your order because you are not in the, you can say, policy of cancellation. Okay, so in that case what you have to do, you need to contact with the customer support team. So the contact information you can see on your screen. There is an also contact information page. You need to click on contact us, and once you click on contact us you need to scroll down, and over here you can see a phone number. Like this is the number, you need to dial this number. Hopefully you will see the number. Yes, the number is visible. You can see this is the number. You need to dial this number, and once you get connected you need to tell them that you wish to cancel your order, and they will guide you each and every information related to your order, and they will cancel your order very easily. Okay, so this is the video how you can cancel your LongHorn like steakhouse order. So if you're facing any issue you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.